and welcome to a brand new video. I am super duper excited about today's video, and as you have already guessed from the title, this is about the hottest new launch from Sugar Cosmetics, and I am talking about these new highlighters which are called Own the Light liquid highlighters. Now highlighters are one of my favorite steps in my whole makeup routine because instantly it lifts your look, takes it to the next level, and you're bam, ready for a night of rock and roll. Or even if it is during the day, you are ready to glow and slay. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video because there is so much I want to talk about, so much I want to show, and we cannot wait any further. Let's begin. Sugar has launched these Own the Light liquid highlighters in 4 exciting shades. And this is the PR kit that I received. It has all the 4 shades inside and also a description of how you can actually use a highlighter, what are the different places on the face that you can use a highlighter. And this is only about the face because the highlighter is such a versatile product. I absolutely love to use them on my shoulders, on my neck, décolleté. It really makes your skin shine and glow. I'll just read a little bit of information from the email that I received, and it says this is a smudge proof formula, transfer proof and high on pigmentation. It's also waterproof, plus it's long lasting and gives a radiant glow, and it's very pigmented. We are gonna test out all of these things, so let me just start by showing you the packaging of the product. So that's the outer carton in which the product comes, and inside there is a liquid bottle like so with the dropper. It has 20 ml of product and it's priced at 650 rupees, which I think is a very good pricing for such a huge bottle of highlighter. It's not very liquidy, it's more like a creme gel kind of formula. And I'd now swatch all of the 4 shades for you guys so you can see how they differ from each other. And this is the first shade. It's called Babe Blaze. It's a very beautiful champagne pearl kind of color, and I think it's got a very nice warm undertone to it, so it will suit all Indian skin tones. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my hand. Look how gorgeously glowing it is. I also like that this has got a no chunky glitter. It's got very fine shimmer, and because of the gel-like texture, it settles easily and it doesn't move. We'll just give it a few seconds. This is shade number 2, which is called Diva Dazzle. This is the second shade, which is called Diva Dazzle, and it's got a rose gold tone to it. The earlier one was a champagne gold, and this is a rose gold, a pinky gold kind of color. Watch this on my hand as well. Just check that out. Oh my god, how gorgeous. It's a blinding glow. Extremely beautiful. Show you the third shade. This one is called Lass Luster, and it's got a bronze glow kind of tone, a warm bronze pearly glow. This is the third shade. This is third shade, a very warm bronzy kind of tone. This is the last shade, shade number 4. This is shade number 4. It is a bit copper toned, I would say. This one is called Chic Celeste. This is my favorite shade out of all. It works very beautifully on my skin. You'll see. This is shade number 4. There's a striking difference from all the other 3 shades. This one is so much more darker and so much more warm, like to give you a nice tan kind of glow. It's beautiful. These are the 4 shades. Let me just show you how fluid this is. You saw that, right? It's not very liquidy and it's not a cream, so it's somewhere in between, and this feels like a gel and it sets, so it won't smudge. So now I'm gonna take this shade number 4 and use it on my face so you can see the product in action. I'm first going to take a little bit on the back of my hand. I don't want to apply it directly on my face because it sets super fast. So just a little drop, and I'm gonna use a blender to take this product. Just dab it on your hand and whoa. How gorgeous is that? Also going to do the same thing on the other side. Oh. A little bit along the bridge of the nose and the tip of the nose. Also going to take a little bit on the tip of this blending sponge and along the brow bone area. See how beautiful and radiant it is. It's a blinding glow. I think it's just perfect for an evening look, or you can mix a little bit of this in your foundation for an all over glow as well. I have to try that trick. It will work beautifully. I have a feeling it will work great. Oh, this is gorgeous. And the good part is it sets super fast. So now that I've already applied it, there is nothing that is coming off. It's a beautiful gel-like formula, so everything kind of sets. I love the packaging of the product. With a dropper, you have so much more control on how much you want to use. And I would any day prefer a liquid or a cream highlighter over powder highlighters because they look more natural, blend better with your foundation, and yeah, and they don't just sit on top of your skin. They kind of, you know, merge with your skin and everything looks nice and smooth and well blended. I am absolutely loving this look. It's so nice. 4 shades to choose from. Shade number 1 and 2 are great for lighter skin people, I guess, and shade number 3 and 4 are great for for women with a little duskier skin tone like mine. So you can choose whichever you want. I think all of them will work great on Indian skin. So that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my review on these highlighters. I would highly recommend you guys to check them out on Sugar Cosmetics website or on their app. They are now available and there are 4 shades to choose from, so you can definitely pick a shade that you like. These are great for adding glow to your face or on your body. Mix with your foundation or your moisturizer. Make an illuminating moisturizer. And these are lightweight, a gel-like formula, so they set and they wouldn't smudge or budge. They are transfer resistant, so definitely check them out. That's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.